Hey guys, we received this Dream Pairs Girls Dress shoe for test and try. This is a closed toe, low heels, ankle strap, pumps for toddler or the little big kid or the flower party or the wedding princess. So let me just open this up. So as you can see, it's comes in this protective covering. So let me just take out everything. So you can see a cute round toe or the decorative back note for added style. So here, it really looks nice with this nice material, cute rounded toe, a little heel for the kids, and the nice rhinestone strap. Overall, this is a really nice with the 1.3 inch of the heel and the non-slip outsole. So it's easy to wear with this strap and very comfortable for the memory foam thing. So second pair, so looks really nice. You can see, and it's a really nice design as well with this close round, cute round toe as well. So nice sandals.